Introducing the International CV Reefer Truck, the only truck drivable by anyone with a Class 5 license that is designed, distributed, and supported by a manufacturer that specializes in commercial trucks. What does this mean? Well, it means the International CV includes commercial-grade features like an available air-ride rear suspension, tons of reliable torque, a forward tilting hood with easy-to-reach maintenance points, and a long list of details only found on a commercial truck. Here are some of its key features. It has a GVW rating of up to 22,900 pounds. It comes in 4x2 and 4x4 models. It comes with a single high-strength, low-alloy steel frame. It has wheelbase options ranging from 141 to 243 inches. It has a front axle capacity of 7,500 pounds and a rear axle capacity of 15,500 pounds. And it comes with Hydromax with traction control and 4-channel ABS. Looking under the hood, it is powered by the International 6.6-liter engine, which can reach up to 350 horsepower. It also comes with an Allison Auto 6-speed transmission. On the inside, it's set up with a driver-first interior with automotive-like comfort, featuring premium interior finishes and outstanding ergonomics. It is also available in regular cab, crew cab, and extended cab configurations, making them as spacious as you need depending on the size of your crew. The box on this CV unit is a 16-foot-long refrigerated body built by Morgan. It's insulated with urethane foam in the front, side, rear, floor, and ceiling to make sure your product stays its desired temperature. This truck is outfitted with a Carrier Supra 960 reefer. Multi-temp options are available, as are walk ramps and automated lift gates. These are just some of the key features that make an International CV reefer truck a clear favorite. To buy or lease a new refrigerated truck at Maxim Truck and Trailer today, visit maximinc.com.